There are trillions of microorganisms lurking in the air, the water, the food we eat, and on the objects we touch. Our body has to constantly defend itself against the constant threats in the environment. Even the dust in the air could be dangerous to our bodies. However, danger not only comes from the environment, but also from within our bodies. Our bodies are constantly changing, constantly growing. Our cells grow old and die, and new cells replace them. Our bodies are constantly regenerating. As our cells are created, there is a chance that mistakes may be made, leading to unhealthy cells that do not function properly. Pollutants or other substances can damage the genetic material, the DNA within our cells, leading to cell mutations. This, in turn, can lead to cancerous cells, which can then lead to cancerous tumors. We face threats from the outside world, and we face threats from the inside. Yet we keep on breathing. We eat. We interact. We're exposed to all sorts of things that could kill us, and yet we survive. We fall and scrape our knee. Microbes enter our bodies, but after a short while, a clot forms, and soon brand new skin forms to protect us. We go out into the world. We catch a cold, but we'll recover in a week without any medication. Have you ever noticed the air filters within air conditioning machines getting clogged up? And we breathe the same air, with the same dust and the same pollutants as those machines. But our lungs don't clog. Our body is capable of taking care of these problems and constantly taking care of us. In spite of constant threats from toxins, microbes, and even our own cells turning into cancer, we manage to survive. This is because of our immune system. Our immune system is the best doctor we can ever have. Our immune system is a vastly complex network of organs, tissues, and cells that all work together to help destroy microorganisms, tumor cells, and toxins. Let's take a look at some of the organs that are part of our immune system. Our bone marrow creates many of the blood cells in our body, including our immune cells. Our thymus can be thought of as a training center for some of our immune cells. Like soldiers, our immune cells go there to learn specialized actions. Our tonsils are part of the first line of defense for invaders that come through our airways. Our lymph nodes are like garrisons for your soldiers. They also act as a filter or a trap for invaders. Our spleen is like an ammunitions factory. It produces antibodies while also acting as a specialized filter. Other organs that are a part of the immune system include the Peyer's patches, subcapsular proliferative foci, etc. Each of these organs work together with the cells of our immune system. Our immune cells, our immune soldiers, reside in our bodies, constantly on alert, waiting for the signal to go to battle. Our immune system communicates throughout our body. When pathogens are detected, a message is sent out saying our body is under attack. Our immune cells, all the different soldiers, will rush to our defense. Let's look at some of our specialized immune cells. B cells produce the artillery, the antibodies, while working together with T cells. Phagocytes swallow and digest microbes and other foreign material. They also clean up the body by getting rid of dead cells and clearing away debris like pollutants. Natural killer cells defend us from cancerous cells in coordination with the products from other immune cells that cause cancer cells to die. Our immune system identifies threats, mounts attacks, eliminates pathogens, and remembers it for the next time. Our immune system is more complicated than any army in the world. It is so complicated, we still don't know what all of its functions are. Medication will never compensate for a weak immune system. We do not have the technology to replace our immune system with the use of drugs. Our immune system is a well-trained tactical army. It carries out specific contained battles, and it knows when to stop. Our immune system knows where the battle is. It knows to leave the healthy cells alone, and it knows when the battle is won, so there isn't any inadvertent damage. A medication, however, is like a widespread bomb. It has no focus, it might not even hit the target, and it always causes collateral damage. In the modern world today, many illnesses are caused by a compromised immune system. If our immune system is weak, we get sick. For example, someone healthy might not get sick from a virus, but someone with a weak immune system could die from a simple infection. A weak immune system also can't kill cancer cells, and so the cancer will spread. Many diseases also occur when our immune system malfunctions. For example, allergies occur when our immune system attacks something harmless, like flower pollen causing hay fever. Autoimmune diseases develop when our immune system mistakenly attacks our body's own healthy cells. Examples of autoimmune diseases include lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, and type 1 diabetes. Every single one of us, we are each born with the ability to heal. But in order to heal, we need to take care of ourselves. And we need to nourish our immune system. We can take care of our immune system through our developing the right lifestyle, healthy diet, sufficient exercise, and proper rest. This is the core of nutritional immunology, the relationship between nutrition and the immune system. Nothing in the world can replace our immune system. Our immune system is our best defense and our best doctor. Nothing is better. We need to take care of our immune system through our nutrition. Through eating plenty of healthy plant foods, we can build a strong, healthy immune system to fight to the end.